$480, $1,900, $1,903, $2,238. This is the type of money that you can make by watching simple videos on YouTube and other platforms. So if it's of interest to you, make sure to stick around and watch every single word on this video so that you can find out how to do that. Alright guys, so first of all, if you are looking for a legitimate way to make a full-time income online, you have reached the right place. My name is Justin, this is Tube and Travel, and what I do is I scour the internet for different opportunities for you to make a full-time income online without it being difficult. Because I understand that when you're just getting started, when you're new, there's a lot of scams out there and there's a lot of information and it's hard to put it all together in one place. So what I'm going to do for you in this video today is give you access to 3 different websites that you can use today to start making money watching simple videos and more. Now, before we get started, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. And if you guys are looking for a long-term way to make a full-time income online with YouTube, at the bottom of the description of this video right here, you're going to see a legitimate way to do that. All you do is click in and watch the free video. Let's get started. So the first page that I'm going to share with you today is YouCubes. Now YouCubes is a very interesting site because what it allows you to do is make money in 2 different ways. Way number 1, it allows you to make money as an advertiser. So if you're an advertiser and you're looking to get quality traffic to people who are interested in your products, interested in your services, interested in everything that you have to offer, then this is a way to get people on the other end who are qualified potential purchasers of your product. So this YouCubes is pretty much a hub. Now, if you're on the other side, and the flip side, and the people who are viewing this right now, and you're not an advertiser, you're just looking for a way to make money, you simply join this site. And when you join this site and watch simple ads, the company will share the profits with you and pay you a percentage of what the advertisers pay. And depending on how many advertisements that you watch will determine how much money you make. So really guys, the sky is the limit, all right? Now, for a pro tip for you, if you invite family, friends, or people that you know who are also interested in making money, they actually give you a 15% commission for everyone you refer. And all you have to do is simply refer them to this site. Now, this site is legit. It has over 797,000 members since 2007, okay? So that means they started during the 2008, before the 2008 crash, and they've existed long after coronavirus. 2 major impacts in American history as well as just history and all together and how it's impacted the world, and it's still completely stood still. So if you're looking for something that is recession proof, this could be a site for you. Now, real simple sign up. I'm sure you've signed up plenty of times before on different things, and it's a free sign up for you if you are looking to share in the profits with the company as the advertisers promote their products and services to you. Simply add your email, first name, or whatever your email address is, and then you confirm it. Simple password. Now they have a generated password. Now, if you're just going to do this on your desktop and it's going to be auto-saved, then you can use their generated password. But if you're going to be on the go leveraging your mobile phone, then you want to have a password that you can remember, because the last thing you want to do is be off and have a plan to watch 5, 6, 10 videos and all of a sudden you forgot the password and have to go through the whole rigmarole of re-signing up and finding your password because you forgot it. So make sure it's an easy password to remember. Simple, add your last name, username, and then your gender and your birthday and the country that you're from. And the best part is you can be from all types of countries around the world. It's not just the United States. So I know that there are some sites that block that. That is not the case for this page. So If you find your country on here, definitely give a shout out. Comment below, say where you're from, and that's going to be awesome. I'll definitely respond to you. And make sure to like this page if you got any value from it yet. I mean, this video if you got value from it. And then simply press register, and there you go. Now, the next page that I want to recommend you to is called Bucks Inside. Let's just do that right here. BucksInside.com. BucksInside.com, it gives you a way to watch videos, and they pay you every 10 seconds. Very similar to the other page. It's a hub. You have an affiliate who wants to promote to you, and then you have the person who is the customer or potential customer who's interested in the products and service. Guys, these are legitimate ways to make money. Obviously, there's nothing for nothing. The reason why the company is willing to pay is because the advertiser pays and splits a small piece of commission with you. So they pay every 10 seconds. And they also pay instantly, but you have to hit a threshold of at least $2. Now, that's not going to be a problem. It's going to be very simple. As I showed you before, the commissions you could potentially make, but I would not take money out until you hit at least $100, because otherwise, I mean, what has $2 ever done for anyone? You can't even buy a cup of coffee, with $2. So definitely make sure you build that up to at least $100 before you take it out. Now, here are some of the examples as I showed you before. These are the last 250 payments that were made, and of course this is worldwide. So these are the locations that you can actually be from, and they will pay you as a watcher of videos. Simple stuff, guys. Very simple stuff. And as you can see, all the different flags, all the different locations, the amount of videos that were watched, the payments that are instant, the payments that are pending that are still going through. But as you can see, this is a healthy flow of people getting paid real money in real time from around the world. So very cool website that you definitely want to check out. Again, the registration process is easy as 1, 2, 3. Add your username, add your email address, who was it referred by. You don't have to put anything. There is no referral link for this page for me. Just go to bucksinside.com. Then all you do here is pick your currency, USD, and also the payment method that you want to use. PayPal, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, and Coinbase Crypto. That means you can literally be from all over the world, because they now accept crypto. I mean, most companies are accepting crypto now these days because they're going to be able to reach more and more people who couldn't use services like PayPal and like Advanced Cash before in the past. All right, so that's the way you do it. You click one of these icons and you register, and you're good to go. Hey guys, if you're getting value from this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I make videos like this all the time. And the last and final video you have right here, I'm going to use this one. It's iRazoo. Now, this is a way that you actually get paid, through incentives, as far as cash incentives. Like if you want a gift card of some sort, and then you can turn that into cash. So it's not a direct, let's say, cash kind of way, but then those points that you get, you can then leverage and use for everyday type shopping. It's a reward-based thing. Unlike Bucks, unlike the YouCubes.com, this is a different way. But at the same time, it's still legit. As you can see, it's been seen from many reputable websites: Yahoo.com, CNN, The Wall Street Journal. Okay, all legit sites. And some pro tips: you can also get paid in addition to watching videos as well. You can do paid surveys, you can complete offers, and you can play video games, man. So really cool way to make money. So that is the third way in which you can make money. So that's it, guys. Those are the 3 sites, and I'll rattle them off for you again. There's YouCubes.com. There is Bucks Inside, and then there is iRazoo.com. All right, that's it for this video. If you got value, make sure to subscribe. And if you're looking for a pro tip to make long-term money with YouTube like I do, then click the link below in the description, and it's going to take you to a free video to show you how I make passive income from home, working with videos, and I can literally travel the world and go to all these different locations I've been to, just to name a few: Barcelona, Istanbul, Germany, France, you name it. And I've stayed there for months and months at a time because of YouTube. So definitely click that link below if you're interested in learning how to make additional money with YouTube. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.